Alright, this GDI engine in a Hyundai Elantra burning unacceptable amount of oil. So I'm gonna replace the PCV valve, which is, in my opinion, is bad. So here's where that thing is located. All you gotta need is pliers just to loosen up this hose. And you just pull out this hose, and when I pull it out, I could see that there's an oil going through this, but I don't think oil should go into injectors through this thing. This thing is bad and it's not that expensive, so I just decided to get one for 10 bucks, 12 bucks and just replace it. So the socket size for it is 21 millimeters. I don't have a socket. I'm just going to use my pliers to loosen up and just remove it. Alright, new one is in. We're going to put back the hose. Slide back this clamp and that hose. This is my old one. So that's how you replace the PCV valve in a GDI 2-liter engine.